Did you know the average car has over 30,000 parts? That's right. Every vehicle you see on the road is an engineering marvel made up of thousands of components working seamlessly together. Cars have become so ingrained in our daily lives that we often overlook just how incredible they really are. In today's video, we're diving into 13 fascinating facts about cars, from the history of the very first automobile to record-breaking speeds, and even cars that have gone to space. Get ready to be amazed by some truly mind-blowing car trivia. Let's start at the beginning. The very first gasoline-powered car. Carl Benz, a German engineer, created the Benz patent motorwagen in 1885. It had just 3 wheels, a single-cylinder engine, and a top speed of about 10 miles per hour. Though it might seem simple by today's standards, this invention revolutionized transportation forever. Before Benz's car, people relied on horses and carriages for travel. His breakthrough not only paved the way for the modern automotive industry, but also completely transformed how we think about mobility and freedom. From the first car to one of the fastest, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus currently holds the record for the fastest production car in the world, reaching a top speed of 304 miles per hour. Imagine driving faster than some airplanes take off. The secret to this speed lies in the car's incredible engineering. An 8.0-liter W16 engine, quad turbochargers, and a lightweight aerodynamic design. It's a masterpiece of technology and performance. Speaking of technology, did you know that modern cars have more computing power than the Apollo 11 spacecraft that landed humans on the moon? Today's vehicles rely on dozens of computers to handle everything from navigation to safety features like anti-lock brakes and collision detection. These onboard systems don't just make driving more convenient, they also make it safer. Adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking are all examples of how computers are transforming the driving experience. Some cars are built to last, and then there's the Volvo P1800, a car that has traveled over 3 million miles. Owned by Irv Gordon, this classic vehicle has set a record for the most miles driven by a single owner in a non-commercial car. What's remarkable is not just the distance, but the dedication to maintenance and care that kept the Volvo running for over 5 decades. It's a testament to the durability and reliability of great engineering. Now, let's talk luxury. The most expensive car ever sold at auction is the Ferrari 250 GTO, which fetched a staggering $70 million. So, what makes it worth so much? For one, it's extremely rare. Only 36 were ever made. But it's not just about scarcity. The 250 GTO is considered a masterpiece of design and performance, blending exquisite craftsmanship with a history of racing victories. Collectors see it as a work of art on wheels. Finally, let's look at the giants of the automotive world. Toyota consistently ranks as the largest car manufacturer globally, producing over 10 million vehicles annually. What sets Toyota apart is its commitment to quality, reliability, and innovation. From the iconic Corolla to the groundbreaking Prius, the brand has become synonymous with dependability and environmental consciousness. Electric cars might feel like a recent innovation, but they actually have a history that dates all the way back to the 19th century. The first electric vehicles were developed as early as the 1820s, with Thomas Parker building an electric carriage in London in 1889. However, gasoline-powered cars quickly took over due to their longer range and the mass production techniques introduced by Henry Ford. For most of the 20th century, electric cars were nearly forgotten. But in recent decades, concerns about climate change and advances in battery technology have sparked a resurgence. Companies like Tesla have brought electric vehicles back into the spotlight, and today, they're leading the way in transforming the global automotive industry. Have you ever wondered what the most popular car color is? It's white. In fact, white has been the top choice for car buyers around the world for many years. But car color preferences aren't just about aesthetics. They're often influenced by cultural and regional trends. For example, in Asia, white, silver, and black are associated with elegance and sophistication, while in Europe, blue and gray cars are very popular for their understated style. In North America, the appeal of white is driven by practicality. White cars are easier to maintain and keep cooler in warmer climates. So next time you pick a color, remember, it might say more about your region than your personal taste. Now let's take a trip out of this world, literally. In 2018, SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, made history by launching a Tesla Roadster into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. The car was outfitted with a mannequin named Starman seated at the wheel, and it now orbits the sun in an elliptical path. What's remarkable about this stunt isn't just the car's journey into space, but also its symbolism. It represents the merging of two cutting-edge technologies, space exploration and electric vehicles, and serves as a testament to humanity's drive to push boundaries, both on Earth and beyond. Who knows? Maybe one day, it'll be the first car on Mars. When it comes to cars, safety is paramount, and few brands have made safety their hallmark like Volvo. In 1959, Volvo invented the three-point seatbelt, a revolutionary invention that has saved millions of lives over the decades. Today, Volvo continues to lead the charge in automotive safety, with advanced features like automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection. Other manufacturers, such as Mercedes-Benz and Tesla, have also introduced groundbreaking safety technologies. Cars like the Tesla Model S and Volvo XC90 are frequently rated as some of the safest vehicles on the market, proving that when it comes to protecting drivers and passengers, innovation is key. For many, a car is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a symbol of wealth and success. Luxury brands like Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, and Lamborghini don't just make cars, they create statements. These high-end vehicles are about more than performance. They're about exclusivity, craftsmanship, and status. Owning a Lamborghini or a Rolls-Royce sends a message of success and opulence, while models like the Ferrari 250 GTO are considered investments, appreciating in value over time. In many cultures, a car is one of the most visible representations of one's social status. As technology continues to advance, artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the way in creating self-driving cars that have the potential to change how we live and travel. From navigating traffic to making split-second decisions to avoid accidents, AI is making cars smarter and safer. While fully autonomous cars are still a few years away from becoming mainstream, we're already seeing semi-autonomous features like Tesla's autopilot and Google's Waymo fleet making a significant impact. It's a whole new world of driving. Finally, let's take a look at the world's smallest car, the Peel P50. Produced in the 1960s, the Peel P50 is just 54 inches long and 41 inches wide, about the size of a modern-day golf cart. Despite its tiny size, the P50 was a functional vehicle, capable of carrying one adult and a shopping bag. It's a perfect example of how cars, even in their most basic form, can have unique and practical designs. While it might not be suitable for long road trips, the Peel P50 holds a special place in automotive history as the smallest car ever produced. And there you have it, 13 mind-blowing facts about cars. From the first gasoline-powered vehicle to the role of AI in driving, we've covered a wide range of topics that show just how incredible the world of automobiles is. So, which fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of cars and beyond. Thanks for watching.